Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Heygen's free plan in 2025 to create the professional looking AI avatar videos. For that, first of all, you need to come on heygen.com and you need to sign up for your free account. The best part is that you don't need any credit card for that. So with the free plan, you are going to get limited number of videos credit per month, but it is quite enough to test the features and create the short avatar videos. Over here, you can choose hundreds of built-in avatars and you can also upload your own image or the video to create the personalized AI avatar. These avatars can actually lip sync the move naturally and delivers you the message in clean and professional way. So in the left hand section you will be on the home page, so click on the try avatar fourth option and it will show you the videos how you can start using it. Now here click on the create your avatar option and you can basically click on the get started option over here, then click on the next option in the bottom right hand corner. Over here you need to provide your own footage or you can even record via webcam and you can record via phone. Then you need to provide the consent and review. So this particular Heygen or the tool is going to be creating your own avatar which you can use for creating the videos. You can also use it for the AI voices. So if you click on the AI voices option, you will be able to see the Heygen library where you will see all of the audios that you can basically choose, provide your text, and you can basically get the audios and then you can use it in your videos. Over here you will also see a bunch of different templates. So if you click on the templates option, you will see the templates that you can simply click and you can click on the create with the Heygen Studio. So basically you are going to edit this particular template in the Heygen Studio. So you need to click on that and you can just simply change the text over here, provide any avatar. You can add the text over here, provide the media, use elements, caption, basically all of the editing features you are going to get over here. After editing these, simply click on the generate option in the top right hand corner of the screen, provide the title of your video and click on the submit option. So it is as easy as it may sound or it seems to use Heygen AI for free in 2025. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.